Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mitchie. I do lifestyle, faith, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, all kinds of content like this on this channel. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and please subscribe. But yeah, so honestly you guys, I'm really excited for this video today. You guys already know that I'm always decorating. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I'm always always decorating all the time. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'm always up there. I'm always really active. So if you haven't followed me, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. But yeah, so I have my room exactly the way that I wanted it since before I moved here, and so it's finally looking really good. I would like to say that I'm not gonna redecorate, but no promises. You already know how I am. I'm probably gonna get bored of it within 3 months and change it up. I know you're not supposed to switch up decor, but whatever, that's me. Let me know if you relate. Anyway, so yeah, so I decorated everything. I'm not even sure if I did a proper intro to this video or even showed you guys what my room looked like before this. Don't know, don't kill me. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me. I have clips of going to Target and just everything, and then show you guys what it looks like. But I'm so excited. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so I am back from Target. I wanted to do a very little mini haul for you guys. I know you guys already saw maybe the majority of the things that I already got, but yeah, I'm actually so excited because I wanted something different for my room. I've wanted to make my room look a lot more mature, and so hopefully I can achieve that. So yeah, I feel more pillows makes it look more luxurious, so I got a lot of pillows. So just a very quick disclaimer, I did get a lot of pillows. So I ended up getting this one because if I haven't told you guys already, I am going with a black, beige, yeah, a beige kind of that color back there, and black. That is the theme for my room. Really quick, I did end up getting this new mirror. I'm pretty sure for the OGs, no, this is new. It looks very different. My room looks different. It's because of this mirror, but it's really big, so I really couldn't show you guys on camera, so it's just back there. Anyway, so I got these pillows from Target. They're actually so comfortable. They're really cozy. They're really I don't know, they're really cute. I like the material. And of course it's Target. I got 2 of them, and then of course if that was not enough, I got more. So I got these are white. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really cute. These are white. These are gonna go in front of those. Actually, you guys will see how I'll set it up, but they were cute. I got 2 of these as well. And then the last pillow, I promise, was this one, because this one was gonna go right in front of all of these. But honestly you guys, I kind of actually already tried setting them up, and I feel I like it without this one, so I'm thinking of returning it. But I guess I'll let you guys, we'll see. I'll see how it goes, but I like it. It's actually really cute. So I ended up getting this little throw blanket. I thought it was actually very cozy, and I really like the texture of it. It goes really well with my pillows and the whole vibe that I'm going for the room. So yeah, I got a little throw blanket. And then for my absolute favorite thing, I think that I got was these curtains. Honestly you guys, what, these are actually so cute. I don't know if you guys can see them, but it's actually really cute. I feel these white ones that I have back here, I feel they make it my room look very cheap and very I'm just going for a completely different vibe, and they're just not anymore. Just curtains gotta go. And then I got this little cute candle. Oh my gosh, like I'm gonna put it on my night table over there. And then lastly, what I got from Target were these little like 18 by like 24. Is it 18 by 24? Yeah, 18 by 24 like frames. These are actually gonna go right like on top of my bed. So yeah, I'm actually gonna share with you guys how I got these because I actually didn't know that you could do that. Like I just didn't know. So you guys ever seen those really cute aesthetically pleasing like frames on Pinterest and stuff, you know? Like I actually found them. They're super cute. All I did was I went on Etsy. They actually sell it for like $9. See, I didn't know that. If you knew that already, promise you, girl, but I did not know. So they actually send it in like a JPG file type of format, and you basically just download them. So they are only like $9 for, well, these I got two and they were $8.99, and they just send it to you through Google Drive or whatever, and then you can go ahead and print them out at Office Depot or online, and they'll print them out for you, so you're not spending like $200 on frames. Like we don't want that, you know. But yeah, so I actually really like how it came out. It's actually really cute. Anywho, you guys, that's actually it. That's it for the little haul. I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything up, and then you guys can go ahead and tell me if you like it or not. Let's just start doing this all together.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. So you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off.
Alright guys, so when you first walk into the room, you're gonna see like this little bookshelf, like my desk, not my desk, my vanity, and the bed and all of that. So I'm just kind of showing you like an overview of what it kind of looks like. I already showed you guys kind of like what my vanity looks like from before. Nothing much has changed. And yeah, so when you like turn here, I'm pretty sure I already showed you guys. If not, these frames, I got them from Target. You guys, they were literally only like $8 for the frames, and they look so cute. Like I'm obviously like I'm so obsessed. Like I'm gonna get like a whole bunch more and like maybe switch those over there out. But yeah. So then the bed is from IKEA. The bedding, you guys, I'm obsessed. Like as you can see, the themes for the room is black, this like beige color, and white. And I don't know, I just feel like the room is very me. It's very like, I don't know, it gives me like beach vibes, but not beach vibes, like cozy vibes. Like I feel like the room looks very cozy and like clean and like pleasing to the eye, and that's kind of what I was going for. So I have a lot of pillows. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pillows. Yeah, it's really bad. And I got all of these, like absolutely every pillow that you guys are seeing right now, I got at Target. Okay, and then coming over to this side, this kind of, well, I don't know if you guys saw this. No, actually I switched it from the last room tour. This was actually, the rack was a black one, and it was way different, but honestly it was way too tall, like way too tall. And like, I don't know, maybe the black would look good, but I honestly like, I really like how this looks. And so I just hung up all my whites and my like browns there. This is my old mirror. It wasn't giving, you know, it wasn't giving. I was over it. Like it was too small for like what I needed it. But yeah, I just have like my ones and my Jordans under there. But yeah, so that's basically what we have on this side. And then these curtains, I absolutely love. I think you guys saw the clip of me like putting it up. It's like really sheer, but it goes so like good with like my theme, all of the room. Like it just looks, it really complements it so well. So on this wall we have like frames. You guys, nothing really from this has changed besides like the middle. Before it was like a big art gallery, but it's still the same, but I put like little shelves. And then if you guys remember, my desk had so much like clutter on it, and then it just wasn't it. All right, and then the mirror I got from Target, it looks a lot smaller on camera, but it's actually really, really big in person. But it felt like it went really well with like the aesthetic of my room, with the black and all that. But it's actually really big. Like I wish you guys could actually tell how big the mirror is. Like it's actually so big, like just it's huge. And then going to this side, this is like my cute little corner. I really love this lamp. So I'm gonna like turn it off real quick so you guys can see. So obviously like you guys can tell that like that material and the color goes like with the aesthetic of the room. And I felt like this corner was missing something, like this wall, but I didn't want to put another like art because I have too much art already. So I was like, it's missing something, like what is it missing? And I just like knew instantly that it was missing like a lamp. So I did that. I have me and Sarah's little picture frame, and then I have my planner here, and then I have like this candle that you guys saw from Target. You guys, this candle smells absolutely incredible, like incredible. And then I also have my coaster here that has been there since the last time. I just really like it there. For this corner, you guys, I do want to do something, like please don't kill me, but I honestly like want to do something here. I'm gonna move that to that side when I give that mirror away, because I'm trying to give it away or sell it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna put all these two things on that side, and here it's just gonna be, this is where I kind of film like my reels and stuff. So I don't know, I kind of want to do like some kind of thing. I want to do like a sit down area for YouTube or like for real, for fashion like videos. I want to put like, I'm gonna show you guys a picture like right here, like on this side of the screen. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I have in mind to do for the room. But yeah guys, that's basically it for my room tour. Alright guys, so that's basically it for the room tour, for the updated room tour. Honestly, this is not gonna be the last time you guys see this kinds of video on my channel, because like I said, I always get bored and I'm always like switching it up already. But yeah, so for now I'm enjoying how it looks. And yeah, so honestly you guys, I really love it, and I think it's important too for me to like have it all look good, because I'm always filming and doing this for YouTube, and I really want my backgrounds to look like, you know, like good for the videos and look nice. And so yeah, so that's basically it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys got some inspo, or you guys like got some ideas for your own room. But yeah, that's basically it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.